Hello fellow gamemakers and welcome back to another breakdown, and today I'm gonna show you how you can create this mountainous landscape. So let's get started. Also, if you like this video, may consider subscribing and liking this video, because it would really help me to continue making more videos like this one. I again started with a bit of an unusual node for this kind of landscape, because I started with a cracks node. This generated me those crack fields, and I somehow auto leveled it and applied a constant to just reduce the height of it. I then used an aperture on it and a blur, but actually a pretty strong blur, just to get those kind of field-like things. And then I applied an erosion, and now it already looks like a kind of like a landscape you could use. So you can just get those kind of like mountain things. I again used a thermal on it to get those sediment fields, and I used this debris on it, so I really get this debris lying around here. For the mesh, I then used a Voronoi. This Voronoi, I really like Voronois though. And then a combine node to get a bit more finer detail. And I think that works quite nice to just blend in this Voronoi node, because you really get some detail in it. And this is basically the mesh right there. For the coloring process, this time it's a bit more complex, but I started basically with this set map, and I really like those darker spots right down here. But I really didn't like those mountains, because I think they were too bright. So I used another set map, and this time it was the other way around. So I really like those mountain kind of things, but I don't like this. Yeah, because it basically looks the same. So I mixed them together and got this result, and I really like this more. So I then applied a bit of color effects on it, and the only thing I did was applying noise. But later on I actually turned the noise off again, because I don't think it fits so well, but if you like the look of it, you can just apply noise. So then, on the other hand, I wanted a bit more white spaces on the debris. So then I wanted a bit brighter spaces on this debris. So on the thermal I got this deposit output and colored it with a quick color, and used it as a mask for again color effects if you wanted to apply noise, and then just mixed it in again with the colors I used earlier. So we got from this to this. So yeah, that's basically it. I hope you learned again a few techniques I used when creating landscapes, and maybe you can apply them on your terrains. If you have any results, just show them to me, send a link in the comments or something, or send me an email with it. I really would like to see the results, and I think till then, see you next year.